Mga tol, ilang tulog na lang. Pasko na at kung wala ka pang naiisip na magandang iregalo, check mo itong TechLife Pad Neo. It's a 10.1-inch tablet running Android 14 na may dual SIM support, naka Unisoc T612 chipset with 4 gigs of memory and 64 gigs of eMMC storage. Ang display nito is 60Hz IPS LCD panel na 1280 by 800 pixels with dual speakers kaya pwedeng-pwede pang YouTube at Netflix. Para sa mga nag-online classes, meron itong 5 megapixel selfie camera at 8 megapixel main camera. Sa mga gumagamit ng dalawang SIM dyan, good news, it comes with dual SIM support at pwede mong pasukan ng hanggang 1TB microSD yung kanyang hybrid slot. At yung price, wala pang 8,000 pesos to mga chong, kaya pwedeng ipangregalo, lalong-lalong sa mga nag-aaral, para sa mga bata na kailangan ng virtual yaya, para sa mga matatanda, syempre huwag mong kalimutan yung sarili mo. Bakit hindi? Deserve mo yan, kapatid. Hey guys, Kuya Dan here with the last minute update. I just got the official prices of the TechLife Pad Neo, and guys, you will love this. So the variant with 64 gigs of internal storage is gonna retail for 5,999 pesos, but you can get it for as low as 4,099 pesos on discount. Isn't that sweet? And for the higher tier variant, which is gonna come with 128 gigs of internal storage, you can get it for 7,499 pesos. Now that is the retail price, and of course you can get it at a much lower price with discount. Now, would you agree with me? Isn't that a sweet deal for a dual SIM tablet?